So it's difficult for us to really comprehend how these organisms that we call fungi exist, right? Because, like I said,
The fundamental question.
they're just these organisms. They're aliens, really.
Yeah. And they're curious when
Closest we can get to an alien on this planet, and they're not like us at all. They're these sort of weird colonial organisms where you've got the filamentous ones anyway, where you've got these cells that they're all kind of attached, but they're also kind of separate. You can cut off one end,
right.
and one side of it will go on and do its thing, and the other side of it will go on and do its thing. But you can't really do that to a mammal like a human or a blue whale or something. You've cut it in half, then
Exactly.
neither half is going to be very good. But you can certainly do it with fungi, but at the same time, those fungal cells, while they're connected, they do communicate. You could, and that this has been known for a long time. You can feed a little bit of a radio-labeled substance to one end of a filament here, and very rapidly you can get it detected
Right.
in the other end of the filament way over there. And so this ability of things to translocate
Mm-hmm.
and move around through this mycelial network, it's really well established, and it's one of the ways that causes filamentous fungi, to be so successful in the environment, is their ability to move things around,
Right.
to traffic
Right.
and,
Right.
and nutrients, and do so efficiently. Um, so taking that a step further and kind of exploring a mycelial network as a source of a kind of consciousness, I think it requires us to redefine what we mean as consciousness. Like, I don't expect us to be writing poetry,
Right.
although you can outfit a mycelial network with sensors that can detect electrical changes in electrical potential,
Yes, absolutely.
and you can convert that into something that's sort of like analogous to a brainwave.
Right. Right. Right.
Right?
Yeah.
What it means, I don't know. Is that wave pattern that you're revealing, is that somehow reflecting the response of the mycelial network to its environmental exposures,
Mm-hmm.
or changes in the environment, how it perceives the environment? Probably is, right?
Yeah.
But not in a way that we can really interpret, and certainly not in a way that is reflective of consciousness as we think about it. But I think it requires us to really re-examine what we mean by consciousness, and I think it's difficult for us because we're sort of locked into our paradigms right now.
Right. Exactly.